Hi teachers, this video will show you how to add the BFIS calendars to your Google Calendar and how to add your schedule according to the 6-day calendar. So first you're going to want to go to School-Wide Resources and then navigate to Calendar. You can also use the search feature here and look for the word calendar to find it. And first we want to add the 6-day calendar to our schedules. So you'll find that here, BFIS ES 6-day rotation calendar. Scroll over and click Link to Add Calendar. Once you click on that, it will bring you to your Google Calendar, and you will be asked if you want to add the calendar to your schedule. So click Add. And then you'll see that today is the day 4, and that has been added. So when you skip ahead, you can see which day of the cycle it is. Great. Next, go back to the staff page and scroll down, and you'll see a button that says Script to add recurring event to the 6 or 8 day rotation. You need to give permission for that script to run on Google. So click Review Permissions, click your account information, and allow. Okay, so now what you want to do is make sure that this email is your email address. You might have other calendars on there. For example, if you have any Google Classroom calendars, make sure this actually has your name on it. So mine would be Jillian Z, but since I'm using the EdTech account, that's why it's like this. And then in the elementary school, we use the 6-day calendar, so make sure you change it from 8-day to 6-day. And let's say that on every day 1, I teach math from 9 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. You'll see here there's a couple of different ways that you can input that time. Just make sure you either say PM or AM, or you use military time. After that, you can add an event description if you want to. You don't have to, and then choose Add. It will show you which days it has been added to on your calendar, and then you can go over to your calendar, and we're going to check our day 1. You can see the first day 1 is the 22nd. It says math from 9 to 10 a.m. And if you scroll ahead, you can check the next day 1 and see that it's there as well. Now, let's say that at one point you decide to change that calendar and you say, okay, starting March 10th, or starting May 10th, I'm going to change that, and I'm actually going to do a different class that morning. I can edit that event. Yes, I can edit that event and say, actually, I want to change it. Actually, math's going to be a little longer. We're going to do it from 9 o'clock to 10:30. Got save, and then you can decide, do I just want to save it for this event, for all events going forward, or just all of the events altogether? Well, I just want to do all events going forward because I want to change the previous days, and I'm going to accept that. And I'm going to see it's been changed to 10:30, and if I click on the next one, I can see that's been changed to 10:30 as well. Now, if I wanted to delete these, if I made a mistake, I would just click delete, and then I could delete all of them altogether. When you're ready for your next event, you can just go, make sure it's still on 6th day. If you're continuing on day 1, you can keep doing that. Unfortunately, you can't do multiple days at once, so this does take a little time to set up, but then once you do, it's really easy to customize within Google Calendar. Let me know if you need any help.